Welcome to the channel. Forget bland, boring food. Today, we're making 8 stunning winter casseroles that'll keep your blood sugar steady and your taste buds happy. Winter comfort food doesn't have to mean a mountain of carbs and a sugar crash. We're breaking the cycle of eating rubbish and feeling rubbish. These dishes are smart, flavor-packed, and designed to keep you energized. Grab a notepad, you'll want these recipes. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Let's get cooking. First up, we're making chicken and spinach skillet pasta, a dish that's vibrant, fresh, and absolutely packed with lean protein and wholesome ingredients. This isn't your average weeknight pasta, it's a one-pan wonder that brings together the best of comfort food and nutrition, all in under half an hour. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or friends, this recipe is sure to impress and satisfy. Start by seasoning boneless, skinless chicken breast with a generous pinch of salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and a dusting of smoked paprika. The smoked paprika adds a subtle warmth and depth that really elevates the flavor. Sear the chicken in a hot skillet with a drizzle of olive oil, letting it develop a beautiful golden crust. This step locks in the juices and gives you that irresistible savory bite in every forkful. Once the chicken is cooked through, set it aside to rest. In the same pan, toss in finely chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté them gently, letting the onions turn translucent and the garlic become fragrant. Don't skip this step. Those caramelized bits left from the chicken are pure flavor gold, and they'll infuse the whole dish with a rich, savory base. Next, deglaze the pan with a splash of dry white wine, or if you prefer, some good quality chicken stock. As the liquid hits the hot pan, use a wooden spoon to scrape up all those delicious brown bits stuck to the bottom. This step not only cleans the pan but also creates a flavorful foundation for your sauce, adding a subtle tang and depth. Now, pile in a mountain of fresh baby spinach. It might look like too much at first, but spinach wilts down dramatically, becoming tender and vibrant. As it cooks, it brings a boost of fiber, vitamins A and C, and a beautiful earthy taste that balances the richness of the chicken and sauce. Stir until the spinach is just wilted and bright green. Meanwhile, cook your favorite whole wheat pasta, penne, fusilli, or spaghetti, all work well. Whole wheat pasta is a fantastic choice for slow-digesting carbs and extra nutrients like fiber and B vitamins. Be sure to cook it al dente, so it holds up well when tossed with the sauce and doesn't get mushy. Now it's time to bring everything together. Slice the cooked chicken and return it to the skillet, along with the drained pasta and wilted spinach. For the sauce, add a dollop of low-fat cream cheese or a generous spoonful of Greek yogurt, plus a splash of reserved pasta water. This creates a creamy, luscious sauce that coats every bite without being heavy. Stir well until everything is evenly combined and the sauce clings to the pasta. Finish your skillet pasta with a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. The cheese melts into the hot pasta, adding a salty, nutty finish that ties all the flavors together. If you like a little extra zing, add a pinch of red pepper flakes or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving. In less than 30 minutes, you've created a hearty, one-pan meal that's loaded with lean protein, fiber, and real comfort. It's perfect for busy weeknights, meal prep, or whenever you need a nourishing, satisfying dinner without a lot of fuss or cleanup. This is how you do healthy comfort food. Delicious, satisfying, and genuinely good for you. With every bite, you get the warmth of a classic pasta dish, the nutrition your body craves, and the joy of sharing a homemade meal. Give this chicken and spinach skillet pasta a try, and discover just how easy and tasty healthy eating can be. Broccoli, cheese, and rice casserole, done right. This isn't your average casserole. We're taking a classic comfort food and giving it a nutritious, flavor-packed upgrade, so you can enjoy all the creamy, cheesy goodness without the heaviness or guilt. Whether you're making this for a family dinner, a potluck, or just a cozy night in, this recipe is about to become your new favorite. Start with fresh broccoli. Skip the frozen stuff for the best texture and taste. Quickly blanch the florets in boiling water for just a couple of minutes, then drain them well. This keeps the broccoli bright green, crisp, and full of nutrients instead of mushy and dull. Next, swap out plain white rice for hearty brown rice. Brown rice brings a nutty flavor, more fiber, and extra vitamins and minerals. It also has a lower glycemic index, which means it keeps you fuller for longer and is better for your blood sugar. For the sauce, make a light bechamel. Melt a little butter, whisk in flour and slowly add low-fat milk. Whisk until smooth and creamy. This forms the base of your casserole but keeps it lighter than heavy cream or canned soup. Now, stir in sharp cheddar cheese for bold flavor, a spoonful of Dijon mustard for tang, and a pinch of nutmeg for warmth. These simple additions make the sauce rich, punchy, and anything but bland. In a big bowl, combine your cooked brown rice, crisp tender broccoli, and, if you like, some sautéed onions and mushrooms. The onions add sweetness, while mushrooms bring a savory, earthy depth that makes every bite more interesting. Pour the creamy cheese sauce over the rice and veggies. Then gently fold everything together. Make sure every grain of rice and every piece of broccoli is coated in that luscious sauce for maximum flavor in every bite. For the perfect finish, sprinkle the top with whole wheat panko breadcrumbs, a drizzle of olive oil, and a generous dusting of Parmesan cheese. This creates a golden, crunchy topping that contrasts beautifully with the creamy casserole underneath. Bake in a hot oven until the top is golden brown and the casserole is bubbling at the edges. The aroma will fill your kitchen and make it impossible to wait. The result? A creamy, hearty casserole that's packed with fiber, flavor, and color, never starchy or greasy. It's comfort food you can feel good about, and every bite is a celebration of wholesome ingredients and delicious taste. Tuna Noodle Casserole, reborn. Forget everything you remember about the bland, mushy casseroles of the past. This version is a total game changer, packed with flavor, texture, and nutrition. It's comfort food, but with a modern, healthy twist that'll make you actually crave seconds. Start with whole wheat noodles, cooked just until al dente. This not only adds a nutty depth and satisfying bite, but also boosts the fiber content, making the dish more filling and better for you. No more soggy noodles. Just perfect, toothsome pasta. Choose a high-quality tuna, either packed in water for a lighter option or in olive oil for extra richness. Drain it thoroughly to avoid a watery casserole, and flake it gently so you get hearty pieces in every bite. Sauté a mix of mushrooms, onions and celery until golden and fragrant. This step builds a savory, aromatic base that elevates the entire dish, adding layers of umami and sweetness you just can't get from a can. Instead of heavy cream, make a lighter sauce using low-fat milk and a cornstarch slurry. This keeps things creamy and luscious but without the extra calories or heaviness. Whisk until smooth and velvety, then season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for warmth. For a burst of freshness, add sweet green peas, a handful of chopped fresh herbs like parsley or dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. These ingredients brighten up the casserole, adding color and a pop of flavor that cuts through the richness. Gently fold together the cooked noodles, flaked tuna, peas, and that silky sauce. The result? A vibrant, hearty mixture that's nothing like the old gray slop you might remember. Every bite is packed with color, texture, and taste. For the perfect finish, sprinkle the top with whole wheat breadcrumbs, a generous handful of grated Parmesan, and some slivered almonds. This trio creates a golden, crunchy topping that contrasts beautifully with the creamy filling underneath. Bake until the casserole is bubbling and the top is irresistibly golden brown. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it nearly impossible to wait for it to cool before digging in. What you get is a creamy, protein-packed, and fiber-rich classic. Made healthy, made delicious, and made to impress. This is Tuna Noodle Casserole, finally done right. Vegetarian shepherd's pie, rich, hearty, and meat-free. Build a base with sautéed onions, carrots, celery, garlic, and mushrooms. Add brown or green lentils, vegetable broth, tomato paste, and thyme. Simmer until thick and savory. For the topping, mash steamed potatoes and cauliflower together for fewer carbs and more fiber. Spread the mash over the lentil filling, create ridges with a fork, and bake until golden. The result? A deeply satisfying, healthy pie that's all comfort, no crash. Turkey and sweet potato casserole, comfort food, upgraded. Brown lean ground turkey with onions, garlic, and spices. Add diced sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and black beans for color, fiber, and plant protein. Pour in diced tomatoes and simmer until the sweet potatoes are tender. Transfer to a casserole dish, top with a little sharp cheese, and bake until bubbly. Each bite delivers lean protein, slow carbs, and loads of fiber, a hearty, healthy winter meal. Eggplant Parmesan, light, crisp, and flavorful. Slice eggplant, salt to draw out moisture, rinse and pat dry. Bread with whole wheat flour, egg and whole wheat breadcrumbs mixed with Parmesan and oregano. Bake until golden and crisp, no frying needed. Make a quick tomato sauce with garlic, crushed tomatoes, and basil. Layer sauce, baked eggplant, and a modest amount of mozzarella and Parmesan in a dish. Repeat layers, finishing with sauce and a sprinkle of cheese. Bake until bubbly and golden. The result: crisp, eggplant, vibrant sauce, and just enough cheese. A classic, made healthy. Chicken enchilada casserole. Big flavor, easy prep. Make a quick enchilada sauce with chili powder, cumin, tomato sauce, and chicken broth. For the filling, use shredded chicken, black beans, corn, sautéed onions, and peppers. Swap in whole grain or corn tortillas for fiber and lower glycemic impact. Layer sauce, tortillas, filling, and a sprinkle of cheese in a casserole dish. Repeat. Bake until hot and bubbly. Serve with Greek yogurt, fresh cilantro, and lime. All the enchilada flavor, none of the fuss. Cauliflower mac and cheese, the ultimate healthy comfort food. Swap most of the pasta for roasted or steamed cauliflower florets. Make a light bechamel with butter, whole wheat flour, and low-fat milk. Stir in sharp cheddar, Gruyere, Dijon, and smoked paprika for a rich creamy sauce. Combine cauliflower and sauce. Add a little whole wheat pasta if you must. Top with whole wheat panko, Parmesan, and a drizzle of olive oil. Bake until golden and crisp, creamy, cheesy, and packed with veggies. Comfort food you can feel good about. There you have it, 8 healthy, delicious winter casseroles. These dishes are packed with flavor and will leave you energized. The challenge is yours. Get in the kitchen and try one this week. Share your results in the comments. Let's inspire each other. For more recipes and tips, subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Now get cooking.